it is a rock song we're going to be learning the riff of. We're playing Smoke on the Water, and this can be good for people who have just started the guitar, as well as people who've been playing for a while, because we're going to take the video in 2 steps. First, we're going to learn the easy riff, and then we're going to add some rock chords, which can be quite tricky, but once you get the hang of them, you'll be fine. We start on our bass note with our bass E. Now, if you want to rest the rest of your fingers, like me, have a look at my hand. They're all on the bottom string, and I'm just going to be playing with my thumb. Let's just play 4 bass E's. Watch me. Off you go. Now make sure you're not making this sound, okay? Don't pick, but you need to be pressing downwards and just have the very tip of your finger or nail touching the string. Now the left hand, we're going to be using the frets. If you look on the side of my guitar, we have dots. I've got a dot on 3rd fret and 5th. See where your dots are. Now we're going to start on open E. You're going to make sure you thumb, you can't see your thumb, you shouldn't be able to see it. If you can see it, you won't be able to reach the notes. So make sure you can't see your thumb. You're going to reach your 1st finger next to your thumb to the 1, 2, 3rd fret. So you're going to go. And you're going to squeeze that quite hard because it's a bass note. You need to squeeze it more than if you're playing up here. Using your 1st finger, you're going to slide up to your 5th fret. Now that might be where your 1st dot is or your 2nd, okay? You're going to have to work out where that is yourself. Okay, that is part 1. Part 2 goes 0, 3. You're going to go past 5 to 6. Then you're going to go to 5. Let me play both sections. Part 3 is the same as part 1. So 0, 3, 5, and then to end, you're going to go back to 3 and open E. Okay, well done if you've got to there. Let's just play it together. 1, 2, here we go. Part 2 of the video, we're going to be looking at rock chords, making it a bit more closer to how it actually would sound on the track where they would use rock chords. Rock chord is where you play 2 notes at the same time. Let me just play it. Just gonna strum 2 strings. I use my thumb and index finger or a pick. Okay, let's try it with Smoke on the Water. So we're just gonna play an open E, pluck that, and then we're gonna put our 1st finger on our G, which is our 3rd fret. 3rd finger underneath, separated by 1 clear fret. So I'm gonna go. Then slide like normal. Okay, it'll take a while. Just keep your hand still between the frets. Okay, now the 1st chord, I've played this. That's not really a chord, is it? It's just a note. So you need to put your 1st finger on your 2nd fret of your A string, so your 2nd fret of your A string, go. Okay, then you're going to hop up and do what we just did. So 1st finger on your 3rd fret, 3rd finger on your 5th, and then slide. Go over that again.